Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As per ISPR statement today on 20th Jan 2021, Pakistan said on Wednesday that it successfully test fire a nuclear capable surface to surface ballistic missile which can strike target up to 2750 kilometers. The launch of Shaheen 3 missile was aimed at revalidating various designs and technical parameters of the weapon system. As per the statement issued by the media wing of Pakistan Army, the Inter-Services Public Relations ISPR, the missile is capable of carrying nuclear and conventional weapon warheads to a range of 2750 kilometers, the statement said. President Arif Alvi, Prime Minister Imran Khan, and the top Army generals congratulated scientists and engineers on the successful test of the missile. As per the sources, it was said that Shaheen 3 White Falcon, which was said, is a Pakistan-led based surface-to-surface medium-range ballistic missile, which was tested for the first time by the military services on 9 March 2015. And after that, development began in secretly in early 2000s in response to India's Agni 3. Shaheen was successfully tested on 9 March 2015, having capability of 2750 kilometers, 1700 miles range, which could enable it to reach all the corners of the India and reach deep into the Middle East parts of the North Africa. The missile, according to a former Director General of Pakistan Strategic Plans Division, is designed to reach Indian islands so that India cannot use them as a strategic basis to establish a second strike capability. The Shaheen program is composed of a solid fuel system in a contrast to Gauri program that is primarily based on liquid fuel system. With the successful launch of the Shaheen, it surpasses the range of Shaheen 2. Hence, it is the longest range missile to be launched by the military. US Air Force National Air and Space Intelligence Center estimates that as of the June 2017, this missile type was not yet operationally developed. The range of the Shaheen 3 is sufficient to target all of the mainland India from launch position in the most of the Pakistan to the south of the Islamabad. But apparently the missile was developed to do more than that. According to General, the range of 2750 kilometers was determined by the need to be able to target different islands in the eastern part of the Indian Oceans that are developed as strategic bases where India might think of putting its weapons. But for 2750 kilometer range Shaheen 3 to reach the different islands, it would need to be launched from positions in the very eastern parts of the Pakistan close to Indian border. If deployed in the western parts of the Balochistan province, the range of the Shaheen 3 would for the first time bring Israel within the range of Pakistan nuclear missiles. In 2000, the Space Research Commission concluded that at least 2 design studies for its space launch vehicle. Initially, there were 2 earlier designs were shown in ideas held in 2002, and its design was centered on developing a space booster based on the design technologies of the Shaheen. Since then, Shaheen owes its existence largely to the joint effort held by NDC of NASSCOM and Space Research Commission. The Shaheen 3 was shrouded in the top secrecy and very little information was available to the public, mostly provided in 2002 two ideas. Majority of the efforts and funding was being made available to Gauri 3 to seek strike in eastern region of the India. In May 2000, the Gauri 3 was cancelled due to its less advance and lack of technological gain. Despite strong advance by Dr. A.Q. Khan for the Gauri 3 program made to be feasible, the program was terminated by then President Pervez Musharraf, who made the funding available for the Shaheen 3 program, which was to be led under Samar Mubarak. The Air Force Shaheen 3 program, however, paused for the Shaheen 3 to make it feasible as liquids were being developed that would allow the missile to be left in ready to shoot from the extended periods.